Hi guys, as I promised, I will teach you on how to sell or cash out crypto coin through P2P trading to GCash e-wallet. And I will give you some tips on how to select best merchants or makers, and papaliwanag ko sa inyo what are the difference between P2P and express trading. So let's get into it. Alright, andito na tayo sa dashboard. Paano ba tayo magsisell ng asset or crypto coin dito sa OKX mobile app via P2P trading? First, make sure na nakaset up na yung payment method natin para dire-diretso yung transaction later on. So how to check? Just go to your P2P trading. So tap lang natin tong icon na to sa taas. And then tap P2P trading. And then tap profile. Then hover down. Then tap payment. As you can see, nakaset up na yung payment method. Ang ginamit ko na payment method ay ang GCash na e-wallet. Pangalawa, kailangan meron tayong available na funding. So, paano ba i-check yung funding? So, balik lang tayo sa dashboard. Tap Assets. As you can see, meron lang akong 1.56 USDT. Para madagdagan yan, para makapag-execute tayo ng sell order, make it sure na meron tayong USDT sa trading na available. Let's hover down. So, I have 26 USDT. Lilipat natin yan sa funding. How to do it? Itaas lang natin. Just tap transfer icon above. Then tap arrow up, down icon. So the asset is USDT, so no need to change na. And then the amount is 26 USDT. Or you can select max as you like. Then tap confirm. And now we are ready to sell our asset, which is the USDT. Let's navigate the P2P trading. So let's back. Just tap P2P trading icon. We have options here on how we are going to sell our asset. We can choose P2P or Express. Ano ba ang difference ng P2P and Express? So sa P2P, you choose the buyer. You can set your own price and then you can pick the best rate offered ng mga buyers or user. As you can see, sa sell button, makikita natin na nakalista yung mga buyers. And then, flexible yung payment methods. You can choose buyer who supports your preferred payment method. Example, GCash, PayMaya, bank transfer. For example, you can see here, this first buyer, meron siyang CBank, CoinsPH, and then meron siyang CIMB and Union Bank. Mostly ginagamit ang P2P ng mga experienced users dahil manual ginagawa at maraming mga selection. While Express naman, si OKX na yung magpipick ng buyer. So you don't choose your buyer. OKX automatically matches you with the buyer at the best available rate. So, fast and easy yung transaction sa Express. So, paano magta-transact sa Express? Just tap Express. And then tap Sell. Okay. Then enter the USDT that you want to sell. For example, 20 USDT. And then, you will receive 1,132 pesos. Advice lang guys, before you will release the crypto, make sure na i-confirm nyo muna na na-receive nyo na yung fund either sa bank nyo or sa e-wallet before to release the crypto. Okay? So ang gagamitin ko ngayon ay P2P trading. So tap lang natin tong P2P. Before I will execute the sell order, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo guys yung current GCash fund ko dahil yun yung payment method na pang-receive ng fund at para ma-confirm ko sa inyo na na-receive ko na yung fund from the buyer. I'm gonna open my GCash account. At this moment guys, I have 3,335 pesos. Later, papakita ko sa inyo kung nag-reflect na ba yung fund na galing sa buyer. Alright, so balik tayo sa OKX. Kung magsiselect tayo ng mga buyer or seller na user dito sa P2P trading, make it sure na maganda yung kanilang completion rate. So for example, ito si first user, meron siyang 99.47%. So meron siyang magandang transaction or history ng mga transaction. And then yung pangalawa, meron din siyang 97.10%. So goods na rin mag-transact sa kanya. Since GCash yung pang-re-receive ko na payment na galing sa buyer, para mas mabilis yung pag-filter ng payment method, so itap lang natin tong payment methods. Select GCash, apply. So automatically magpa-pop up lahat ng mga user na merong GCash payment. Since I have 26 USDT from my fund, so yun yung ibebenta ko ngayon for the purpose of this video. To make it fast, just tap amount. And then type 26 and then tap enter. I'm gonna select this first user dahil meron siyang 99.25% na completion rate. So goods na ito para sa akin. So meron siyang available na 166 USDT. Ang order limit niya is from 1,000 to 9,375. So since na 26 USDT lang yung ibibenta natin, so pwede tayong mag-transact ng sell order sa user na ito. So just tap sell. And then type 26 USDT to check our fund. So you can tap this manage funds. As you can see, I have funding fund na 26 USDT. We have only 15 minutes for this transaction. Make it sure na yung transaction ay within 15 minutes lang dahil pag naglagpas ng 15 minutes ay mabo-void yung transaction na ito. Alright? So just tap sell USDT with 0 fees. So ito yung total amount na marireceive ko papunta sa GCash, 1,466.40. So let's tap sell. So merong verification. I use my biometric. Alright, pending for buyer's payment. Make it sure and you have to confirm if na-receive nyo na yung fund doon sa wallet nyo or sa bank. You can also chat the maker. So just tap chat. So let's wait a little while. Alright, I think nagbayad na yung maker. Double check natin yung GCash before we will release the crypto. Alright, na-receive na natin. Check natin yung transaction. As you can see, I received 1,466.40. So now we will release the crypto. So let's go back to OKX and then tap release. So just rate the experience, so make it positive and then submit. Alright, so my 26 USDT has been sold, okay? So just tap view assets. Let's check my USDT. And now, I don't have USDT na. Alright, so ganun lang yung pag-sell ng asset or crypto sa P2P. Alright, that's the process on how to trade, sell, order using P2P going to GCash e-wallet. See you on my next video.